Hello YouTube and welcome to another security tutorial. So in this video we will discuss actually the new release of FortiOS 8. So are you ready? Let's get started. So as you may know, Fortinet has released on March 2026 its new version FortiOS 8, okay? So here we're gonna see what's new and the key features of this version. So as you can see here on this slide, we'll focus on 4 domains here: AI security, quantum safe, next generation SASE, and SD-WAN. Okay, so let's begin discussing each new feature. Okay, so here we'll discuss first of all AI driven security. So imagine your company, for example, has 500 employees and some of them start using random AI tools, like for example DeepSeek or Qwen or unknown chatbot to do their work. So without IT knowing, FortiOS 8 now matches actually all internet traffic and automatically spot every AI tool being used. So flag the risky or unauthorized ones, which are for example shadow AI, and lets you security team block them or set rules. So you can think of it like a security guard at the door who knows exactly which app are on the guest list and which one snuck in. Okay, so here on this slide, for example, you can see that we have a real-time map of all AI tools approved versus unsanctioned. Okay, so AI aware application control, so it allows safe generative AI tools and block data leaking actions. We have also some visibility into hidden AI to AI interaction and workflow. So each AI app rated low, medium and high and act immediately. So this is a new feature of actually this FortiOS version 8. So if we go next, we have a next generation SASE and SD-WAN. So SASE is a system that enforces your company security rules in the cloud. So wherever your employees are working, the problem is if your team is, for example, in Frankfurt and security checkpoint is a server in the US, every click takes a detour. Okay, so SASE outpost solves this by letting you put the security checkpoint inside your own building, so traffic stays local and fast. And with the help of sovereign, SASE goes further. It lets you control exactly which country stores your logs and data, which is critical for companies that must comply with laws like GDPR in Europe, for example. Okay, so SASE outpost here deploy enforcement inside your own data center or corporate local. Okay, so with sovereign SASE we control log location, control plane and data residency. So let's go next. We have actually quantum safe protection. So today encryption, like the padlock on the website, is mathematically hard to normal computer to break, but future quantum computers could crack it in seconds. So FortiOS 8.0 start protecting your now by switching to a new post-quantum encryption algorithm approved by the NIST, so the US standard body. It's like upgrading your front door lock before thieves get the new lock. Okay, so you don't wait until they are at the door. So here we have for example here ML DSA algorithm. Okay, so it's approved for actually VPN and admin access. We have also some hybrid key exchange for SSL deep inspection, stays strong with the PQAC classic crypto. Okay, and let's go next and see for the new feature for AI agent and automation. So setting up a firewall or VPN traditionally requires deep technical knowledge and a lot of CLI commands. So FortiOS 8 add an AI assistant you can talk to in plain English. So for example, you can ask them set up a VPN between your headquarters and the branch office. Okay, so the agent walks you through it step by step, pre-fill settings, warn you about mistakes, and apply the configuration often with zeros downtime. So it's also automatically investigates security alerts in the background, so your team doesn't spend hours manually correlating logs. Okay, so here you can type in plain language, the AI guides you step by step. So you can create VPNs, policies, route without deep CLI knowledge. And also you have here a hot standby, means by configuring changes apply without outages. Okay, and finally we have an enhanced data protection. So here for traditional data loss prevention only catches sensitive info in the text, like if someone for example tries to email a spreadsheet with credit card numbers. But what if someone takes a screenshot of that spreadsheet and upload actually the image? The old system miss that entirely, but FortiOS 8 add OCR, the same technique that reads text in photos, to scan images for sensitive contents, like for example password, IDs, and contract and financial data, and block them automatically. Okay, so on the top of that, the new unified XDR dashboard combines alerts from your network, so your computers and your user account, into one single view, so your team sees the full picture of any attack instead of disconnecting puzzle pieces. Okay, so here with this new feature, it can read actually screenshot and prevent them detect actually sensitive data inside images, scans, and screenshot. So it can catch passwords, IDs, and contract, as I told you. Okay, so those are the new features that actually came with this new release of FortiOS 8. So here we have actually, we talk about 5 features. AI security, which sees and control all generative AI tools on your network. We talk also about flexible SASE, which deploys SASE where you need it, your way. Okay, we have also quantum safe, which introduces a new encryption algorithm actually for VPN and SSL, and also for management. We talked about AI agent, so you can use natural language config for firewall and SD-WAN. And finally, we actually talked about data protection, so with the help of OCR, data loss prevention, and unified XDR dashboard. Okay, so those are all the new features that came with this version of FortiOS 8. So that was just a brief video to show you what's new on this FortiOS version 8.1. So if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave actually a comment or like if you want. And as always, if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment below. So I hope it has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.